Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Temu order failed or payment decline problem. If your payment won't go through, don't worry, here's how to fix it quickly so your order can go through smoothly. Double check your payment details. First of all, double check your payment details. Open the Temu app, go to you, and then at the bottom tap the payment methods, and then make sure your card number, expiration date and billing addresses are all correct. Make sure your card payment method has enough funds and is authorized for online or international transactions. If you're using a card, try removing it and adding it again. This refreshes the connection and often clears payment errors. Switch to a different payment option like Apple Pay, PayPal, or another card and try again. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data before re-attempting the payment. Sometimes network issues can block transactions. Privacy tip: only enter payment info inside the official Temu app or website. Never share card details through links or messages claiming to be Temu. Quick fix: if it's still not working, close the Temu app, restart your iPhone, then try again. If the problem continues, contact your bank to make sure they are not blocking the transactions. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick and easy tech fixes like this.